Myself Nagarajan, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. We are discussing about the renewable energy systems. Okay. This already we discussed about the objectives and outcome of this subject. And now we are going to discuss about the air pollution. Okay, so the main impacts of this renewable energy, that is conventional resources, energy resources, is air pollution. Okay. So when we burn the coal, or when we burn the oil, or when we burn the gas, it evolves many poisonous gases. Some of the common gases that is being emitted are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and this sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, usually these gases will be exhibited through the chimney, and that chimney, what it will do, it will make all the gases to deposit on the clouds. So when it is let outside through the chimney, it starts depositing on the clouds. Okay. We all very well know that clouds is nothing but the water particles. Gas is form of water particles, and is vapors. Okay. So when this gases reacts with the water vapors, okay, then that forms acid. When sulfur dioxide reacts with water, H2O, then that will become H2SO4, that is sulfur dioxide. Okay. Similarly, when nitrogen reacts with water, then that will result nitric acid. Okay. So there are some evidences that the acid rain happened on the surface of the earth. Okay. So when this acid rain occurs, then that will create a very big problem to the human beings, as well as the plants, as well as the animals. Okay, all of them are suffering due to this. So this is another very important factor to be considered. Next one is greenhouse effects. Okay, greenhouse effects. What is this greenhouse effect? Okay, this greenhouse effect is caused by the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are nothing but the maximum contribution of the greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, then nitrogen oxide, then chlorofluorocarbon gas, then methane. So these are the greenhouse gases. Okay. So what happens? See, if you look at the diagram, you can able to understand very clearly. This is the sun. The sun rays is reaching the surface of the earth. Okay, and what is this happening? Light incident on the surface of the earth, and that is reflected. Okay, only 20% is being absorbed by the surface of the earth. Remaining 80% will be reflected as a direct or diffused light. Okay, so this again is sent back to the surface. Here in this portion you can see Okay, here it is reflected, and this reflected will not leave our atmosphere. Okay, this is ozone layer, we can say that one as an ozone layer. Okay, so again this atmosphere sending back this radiation. Okay, so again this radiation is reflected back, and the atmosphere is again sending back the radiation. So due to this reaction, the global warming is happening. In case if there is less amount of greenhouse gases, okay, this reflected wave will be absorbed, okay, will be absorbed by the remaining gases, for example oxygen, okay, or this ozone layer. Ozone is the more amount of oxygen, that is O3, we call it as ozone, not O2, O3. Okay, so when there is less number of O3, then CO2 and methane gases, chlorofluoro gases will start heating the surface of the earth. Okay, this is called as greenhouse effects. Okay, next. Okay, environmental impact of solar power plant. Okay, so that we will see in the next class.